Our country and its neighbors. In this module, you will explore the neighboring countries of India. It is Know Your Neighbors Day at school. Neil and his classmates have set up an exhibition displaying the cultures and traditions of each of India's neighboring countries. All the students and teachers of Neil's school have learned so much at the exhibition. Let us take a look at what is on display in the exhibition. Our country, India, is located in South Asia. It is famous for its diverse cultures and traditions in the world. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Bhutan, and Nepal are its neighboring countries.
Greetings from Pakistan, the land of the pure. Pakistan is located on the western side of India. It shares its borders with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Like India, Pakistan is also a land of diverse landscape, which include mountains, deserts, plateaus and coastal plains. Pakistan is home to the famous Harappan site of Mohenjo-daro. It is also famous for the historic city of Takshila. Did you know that hockey is the national sport of Pakistan?
Greetings from Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is an island nation in the Indian Ocean. It is located off the southern coast of India. Colombo is both the capital and largest city of Sri Lanka. The climate of Sri Lanka can be described as tropical with distinct wet and dry seasons. In Sri Lanka, the Temple of the Tooth, which is located in the city of Kandy, is believed to house the tooth of Lord Buddha himself. Volleyball is the national sport of Sri Lanka. Greetings from Bangladesh, the land of rivers. Bangladesh is a riverine country that shares its borders with the Indian states of West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura and Assam. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Climate in Bangladesh is characterized by wide seasonal variations in rainfall, high temperature and humidity. There are different places to visit in Bangladesh. Some of these include historical monuments, beaches, forests and its wildlife. Did you know that about 700 rivers, including their tributaries, flow through this country? Greetings from Myanmar, the land of golden pagodas. Myanmar is situated in Southeast Asia. It shares its borders with the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar. Pagodas are the major tourist attractions in Myanmar. The most famous among them are Shwedagon, Botaton and Kottadaw. Chinlon is the national sport of Myanmar. It is a ball game played without using hands. Did you know that one of the biggest books in the world is in the grounds of the Kottadaw Pagoda in Myanmar?
Greetings from China, the land of the Red Dragon. China shares its borders with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It is the world's fourth largest country. Beijing is the capital of China. The famous Great Wall of China is one among the many tourist attractions in China. The Terracotta Army of Xi'an and the Forbidden City of Beijing are also popular among tourists. China also has the world's largest population. Chinese is the world's most widely spoken language. China is also home to giant pandas. Greetings from Bhutan, the land of the Thunder Dragon. Bhutan is located at the eastern end of the Himalayas. It shares its borders with the Indian states of West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan. It is one of the capital cities in the world that has no traffic lights. Bhutan is famous for its monasteries, forts and scenic beauty. The national flower of Bhutan is the Himalayan blue poppy, which is a very rare flower. Takin is the national animal of Bhutan. It is a cross between a cow and a goat. Greetings from Nepal, the land of gods. Nepal is located along the Himalayas and shares its borders with the Indian states of Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and West Bengal. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. It is the only country in the world which has a non-rectangular flag. Nepal also does not have an Independence Day since it never came under any foreign rule. Nepal is famous for its temples and scenic beauty. Popular temples of Nepal are the Pashupati, Bodhnath and Swambhunath temples. Nepal is also the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Nepal is home to the world's highest peak, Mount Everest.
The exhibition was really informative and fun. The children must have learned so much about the neighboring countries of India. Let's recap. India's neighboring countries are Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Bhutan and Nepal. Pakistan is India's western neighbor. Hockey is the national sport of Pakistan. Sri Lanka, an island nation, is home to the Temple of Tooth, which is believed to house Lord Buddha's tooth. Bangladesh is a riverine country where about 700 rivers flow along with their tributaries. Myanmar, the eastern neighbor of India, is home to one of the largest books in the world. China is the biggest neighbor of India and is home to giant pandas. Thimphu, the capital of India's smallest neighbor Bhutan, has no traffic lights. Nepal is the birthplace of Lord Buddha.